STWA 10.25 Android 12 Auto Apple CarPlay for AUDI A4 A5 B8 is at the forefront of this transformation. This revolutionary car video player, available on Aliexpress, offers unparalleled features and functionality, elevating your driving experience to new heights. For select car types, we provide complimentary accessories to enhance your installation experience. Simply inform us of your car model, and we'll ensure you receive the necessary components at no additional cost. Featuring the latest Android 12 system and an 8-core processor, our car video player delivers lightning-fast performance. With 8 GB of running memory and 64 GB of storage memory, you'll have ample space to store your favorite apps and media. The HD 19/2720p touchscreen provides stunning visuals and responsive touch control. Experience perfect synergy between your mobile phone and the car's new screen, with support for iOS, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected and access your favorite apps, messages, and calls effortlessly while on the road. Enjoy a myriad of entertainment options, including online audio streaming, online movie playback, local media browsing, and Bluetooth audio streaming. Transform your driving experience into an enjoyable journey with our comprehensive entertainment suite. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, our car video player ensures clear audio quality even at high speeds. Immerse yourself in rich sound and enjoy a superior listening experience on every drive. The STWA 10.25 Android 12 Auto Apple CarPlay for AUDI A4 A5 B8 redefines in-car entertainment and connectivity, offering a myriad of features designed to elevate your driving experience. Upgrade your Audi today and embark on a journey where innovation meets convenience.